Okay, dah.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present about input and output. First of all, my name is Nurin Fariza binti Faizal and my matric number is A176319 and my other member is
Okay, my name is Nur Shifa Najwa binti Muhammad Sabuddin and my matric number is A176624.
My name is Nurul Nazira binti Azmi and my matric number is A176525.
Okay. First of all, what is input? Input is any data and instruction entered into the memory of a computer. Commonly used input device include keyboard, pointing device, touch screens, pen input, motion, voice and video input, scanners, and also reading device. Keyboard is an input device that contains keys users press to enter data and instruction into a computer or mobile device. Most desktop computer keyboard have typing area, toggle key, keyboard shortcut keys, internet control button, function keys, navigation keys, and media control button. In the picture show an ergonomic keyboard. As we can see, ergonomic keyboard that has a design that reduces the chance of repetitive strain injuries of wrist and hand. Ergonomics incorporates comfort, efficiency, and safety in the design of the workplace. The second method is pointing device. A pointer is a small symbol on the screen whose location and shape change as a user moves a pointing device. The first is a mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that fits under the palm of your hand comfortably. There are variety type of mouse including optical mouse, laser mouse, and also touch mouse. The second is touchpad. Touchpad is a small, flat, rectangular pointing device that is sensitive to pressure and motion. And the last pointing device is trackball. A trackball is a stationary pointing device that ball on its top or side. Next input method is touch screen is a touch sensitive display. While with pen input, you touch a stylus or digital pen on a flat surface to write, draw, or make selection. In the picture below pen input, a graphic tablet, also called a digitizer, is an electronic plastic board that detects and converts movement of a style or digital pen into signals that are sent to the computer.
Okay, for motion, voice and video input. Motion input is also termed as gesture recognition and users can control on-screen elements using air gestures. For example, in the entertainment industry, motion sensing game controllers are used to control on-screen objects by moving a handheld input device through the air. In addition, facial motion captures the facial movements of the user and convert them into a digital format. Okay, for voice input is the process of entering input by speaking into a microphone, and voice recognition, also called speech recognition, is the computer or mobile device capability of distinguishing spoken voice. Okay, for audio input is the process of entering any sound into the computer, such as speech, music, and sound effects. Music production software also allows users to record, compose, mix, and edit music and sounds. Okay, next slide. A scanner is a light sensing input device that reads printed text and graphics and then translate the result into a form the computer can process. While an optical reader is a device that uses a light source to read characters, marks, and converts them into digital data that a computer can process. Okay, there are two types: iris optical character recognition (OCR) and optical mark recognition (OMR). For example, a barcode reader, also called a barcode scanner, uses laser beams to read barcodes, and a QR code stores information in both a vertical and horizontal direction. Next slide. The other example for scanners and reading devices, such as RFID, radio frequency identification, that use radio signals to communicate with a tag placed in or attached to an object. An RFID reader reads information on the tag via radio wave, and iris also can tracking times, location, and payment as vehicle pass through tollway system. For map stripe readers, read the magnetic stripe on the back of cards, such as credit cards, bank cards, identification cards, and other similar cards. For MICR, magnetic ink character recognition, is a devices read text printed with magnetized ink. An MICR reader converts MICR characters into a form the computer can process, such as banking industry uses MICR for check processing. Okay, then a data collection device obtains data directly at the location where the transaction or event takes place. Okay, next. Okay, so now we move to output. What is output? Output is a data that has been processed into useful form. An example of output is anything viewed on your computer monitor screen, such as the words you type on your keyboard. Output also has displays output devices such as printer and other output devices.
Display. What is a display? A display visually converts text, graphic, and video information. The quality of a display depends primarily on its resolution, response time, brightness, dot pitch, contrast ratio. To display the highness quality image, the printer should plug into a DVI port and HDMI port, a display port. Home users sometimes use a digital television DTV as a display. Next, we go to printer. Next. Printer. What is a printer? A printer produces text and graphics on the visual medium. Number 1, an line inkjet printer. Number 2, a photo printer. Number 3, a laser printer. Number 4, An all-in-one printer. Number 5, a 3D printer. Number 6. Next, a terminal printer. Number 7, a label printer. Number 8, a mobile printer. Number 9, photos. And number 10, an impact printer. Next, we go to other output devices. Sound speaker or speaker system. Have 3 points to sound speaker or speaker system. First, satellite speaker, center speaker, subwoofer. Another devices is a handphone or earbuds. An interactive whiteboard, a data project, joystick, well, gamepad, and motion sensor game control. Next, we go to assistive technology input and output. Here, motor printers have a 2 point important that is important. Number 1, camera, receiver, refractor tracking surface attached to brain on head. And last is Bradley's printer. So thank you from me and my friend to the presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed this what we call presentation. Okay, that's all for me and my friend.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.